Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, gold is right now standing at 1962. Yesterday, when I recorded the video, gold was standing somewhere around here and we were not sure in which direction the market would move, because gold was struggling to cross the Fibonacci 23.6%, and we were skeptical regarding the direction. And ultimately, we could see during the US session that slowly gold started falling. And right now, gold is standing at 1962. So, my dear friends, the overall structure of gold is still very much intact, because when DXY showed correction on Friday after the speech of Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell, we thought that there might be some changes. There must be a change in the direction of the market. There might be some changes in the structure of the market, and gold showed that intention also. So we were confused, but right now we can see that gold is again continuing the present structure. The gold is not very bullish as it was expected to be. If we look at the chart of DXY, then DXY is also showing the same story, because DXY, you can see that as expected, the FIBO level of 23.6% worked nicely, and after that DXY is showing good recovery. Right now dollar is standing at 103.29. Hopefully the recovery will continue. In case the recovery fails, no need to worry. Your next support will be around 102.65. The levels from Saturday video are still very much intact. Okay, so let's wait and watch. And before I proceed with the chart of gold, I would like to mention that today we have many news. Just go to any economic calendar or forexfactory.com. You'll see a long list of events for a day. So my dear friends, please be careful with your euro positions, GBP positions, as well as US dollar positions. Okay, so be careful and follow strict risk management. Now, gold. So as the market is heading down right now, so obviously the first level will be around the previous low of 1951 to 1952. This is the previous low, and as we can see, the market is coming down. Therefore, obviously, there's a high chance that market will be heading towards the level of 1951 to 52. But we cannot deny the fact that after the speech of Jerome Powell, though there has not been much significant change on the structure of the market, though there has not been a trend reversal, but still, it gave us the indication that dollar will not be bullish as it was like few days ago. As a result of which, you can expect that gold will be taking support around 1951 to 52 area. As we can see that gold is standing in 1963 right now. This is the current market price. So if gold comes to this level of 1951-52, observe the market. There's a high chance that market will take support. If not a complete bounce, big bounce, at least you can expect a minor bounce of 50 to 60 pips. You can easily book your targets after 50 to 60 pips. And the reason I'm telling you to book your targets after 50 to 60 pips is that if market takes support also here, but we cannot deny that market structure is not very positive. When the news came out, market tried to go up, but market failed to form a higher high, which is not a very positive indication for the chart. As a result, there is a high chance that if market bounces also, the bounce may not be a big bounce. So 50 to 60 pips is good enough and it is safer. Okay, so if market takes support around 51, 52, you can definitely go for a buy position. In case the level does not work, in case during the European session gold shows extreme volatility and starts falling with a big red candle, then obviously you should avoid any sort of buy, and your next level will be around 1945. Why 1945? Because of previous price rejection around this area. And lastly, we have these strong support around 1936. I have already explained in my previous videos why 1936 is the strongest support on the chart of gold. because of previous price rejection as well as FIBO 50 retracement around this area. But 1945, okay, 1945 we are considering only because of previous price rejection. That's all. So your eyes should be on the last low or the previous low of 1951 to 52 right now. Okay, as you can see that I'm on a 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour time frame is a slower time frame for confirmation. You can simply switch to the 1-hour time frame or 15 minutes time frame. Once you'll see market taking support and going up, you can easily take a buy position. And one more thing I would like to mention here is that the 1951-52, yes, it is the previous low made by the market. But if you look at the level precisely, then you'll see that we have a whole buyer's zone around this area. Okay, so start observing. Okay, start observing the market from 1954 on, because 1954 to 1951, this is a buyer's zone. Because you can see the market has shown considerable price rejection around this area when market is going up. So as a result, you can definitely consider that we have a blanket of buyers. We have a blanket of buyers around this area. So if market comes and bounces from 1954 also, don't be surprised, because this is also a part of the buyer's zone. So 1954-51 is a whole zone in the market. Though the last low made by the market is 1951-52, but it starts from 1954. Okay, so this is the level you should be observing the market right now. But don't forget that the present structure of the market is not very positive. In case during the day after the news market shows extreme volatility, then obviously the levels may not work. So please be careful. Beginners try to avoid opening any new US dollar position, gold, euro, US, GBP, USD before the news, because market may show extreme volatility and due to slippage you may lose a big amount. Okay, don't make the mistake. And if market starts going up surprisingly, shockingly, then obviously the levels we have discussed in our previous videos are still the same. First of all, 1996, and then we have 2005 to 2009. 2005-2009 is still the strongest resistance on the chart of gold. And I don't think so that the news that is coming up today does not have the potential power to break 2005-2009 level. So let's wait and watch. So these are the levels on the chart of gold. Overall, there has not been much changes. So that's all, my dear friends. And bye-bye. Take care. And follow proper risk management.